Hi kids, this is an antenna. Not a Wi-Fi antenna and not a GPS antenna, but this antenna gets radio waves from the sky. All kidding aside, this thing drives me nuts. I've literally not used the radio in any car I've owned in almost 20 years, and this thing is giant, and in the rare time I actually have to go through a car wash, it just gets bent, and I just don't understand the purpose for it. So I wanted to buy a different one. For some crazy reason, I refused to just take the old one off altogether, even though I'll probably never use it. So I found this short one that's colored black to match the truck, or at least the trim on the truck, and it seems like a pretty decent replacement. So let's just swap it out. To take the original off, you're definitely gonna need some kind of pliers. I had some channel locks available to get it started, and then it just comes right off by hand. Then, just tighten this one in. I'm just doing it hand tight. And that should be it. Much smaller. So as you can see, this still works, and it's just reminding me how much I hate radio and would never actually listen to this on purpose anymore anyway, but hey, at least the radio still works. And that's it. It's much smaller. I don't have to worry about this in the rare moment I need to go through a car wash. It matches the trim of the truck, and I just think it's a better option for me, who basically never ever listens to the radio. Now I'm going to hold on to the original just in my pile of all the other original equipment I have for the truck in case I ever sell it, even though I plan on probably keeping this one forever. But I'd love to hear your opinion. Are there any advantages or disadvantages for somebody that doesn't listen to the radio? Do you listen to the radio? Why would I even need this at all and not just remove it and put a little cover over there? I don't know. I'd love to hear your thoughts, but let me know what you think.